Hello everyone and welcome to this OSR for Rights demonstration on the use of SnapMap for open source human rights investigations. In this video, I will show you how to navigate the SnapMap platform for the purposes of identifying and preserving user-generated content. I will also outline some basic points on how user-generated content identified through SnapMap can assist in an open source human rights investigation you may be conducting. SnapMap is a platform viewable both via web browser and the Snapchat application, should it be installed and logged into an account on a device. The quickest and easiest way to access SnapMap is via a web browser. This avoids having to download the Snapchat application and create a profile. SnapMap can be found at map.snapchat.com. After navigating to SnapMap, you will see a stylized version of the world map. Across this map, there are various coloured circles representing the density of snaps being uploaded to the map. The lighter the colour, such as the faint green and blue patches, indicate low content upload density. The deeper colours, such as the orange and red patches, indicate high content upload density. Using an alias account, or sock puppet, I have uploaded 2 pieces of content to SnapMap around Swansea in the United Kingdom. These photos and videos will be used to demonstrate how content is uploaded, what information can be gained from such content, and some issues to be mindful of when attempting to verify the content itself. Although Snapchat does moderate content which reaches the public-facing map, confronting imagery can at times be visible. Please do take note of this and refer to OSR for Rights work on vicarious trauma for mitigation strategies. For our first piece of content, we have a single image of the Swansea Marina with multiple filters across the water. Some boats and buildings are also viewable in the background. These filters are generated when the user records the content. A user is then prompted to add or remove filters as they desire. In this case study, the time of upload, geotagged location, temperature, and movement speed were included. Please note, the time of upload filter is drawn from the date and time settings of the device itself. For geotagged location and temperature, this is established through location services being enabled for the Snapchat application. For our second piece of content, we have a short video filmed over the marina, showing several boats, buildings, and a large red brick complex. Regarding filters, the time of upload and geotagged location were included. As open source intelligence analysts and/or open source investigators, it is important that we be constantly asking ourselves the question of so what? It is obvious that neither of these pieces of content depict a human rights violation occurring. However, the process of verifying and analysing these pieces of content, and those that may be emanating from a conflict zone, are largely the same. Some summarised, but non-exhaustive, analytical conclusions drawn from the analysis of these 2 pieces of content might include the overcast weather, rain clouds, and lack of direct sunlight, indicating that it has been raining recently. This could be cross-referenced with online weather charts to verify the content posting time matches that of rainy weather occurring. The lack of foliage in the trees shown in the video suggests that the season is likely to be winter or autumn. The largely still water suggests the wind speed is relatively light. The appearance of storefronts with names provides us a direct reference point for where this content was recorded, and the ship names may be traceable back to a specific business, or have online timetabling which indicates the time at which the ship was docked in the marina. Due to the content appearing on SnapMap only staying live for a very short period of time, usually 24 hours unless deleted or removed prior, it is imperative that it be preserved quickly and securely. I will show you how to do this now, using OS X as the operating system and Chrome as the browser. Firstly, navigate to the content on SnapMap that you wish to preserve. Now, open the browser developer mode, choose the Network and Media tab. Following that, right-click on the image of the video file you wish to preserve and open it in a new tab. You can now right-click the content in a new tab and save as. For the video content, it is possible to extract 2 different versions. One being a copy without the added filters, for which you should follow the process just outlined, and another, which keeps the filters present in the video. To keep the filters, simply change the media.mp4 in the hyperlink of the content in a new tab to embedded.mp4. This is being shown on the screen. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial and that you may find it useful in conducting open source human rights investigations into the future. Thank you.